Okay guys, I'm here this morning. I got my Olympio t-shirt. Just wanted to show you the Olympio. It's really nice quality. We got them coming in, we have them coming in 4 different colors in the t-shirts. Yellow piss, orange, pumpkin, black and gray, like from Star Wars. Rey, you know, she wears the gray outfit. I just want to let you know I have a friend who works for Star Wars for George Lucas in California, an old friend, sending me autographs in the mail. A lot of Star Wars memorabilia. Carrie Fisher 20th anniversary limited edition autograph from the Star Wars from 1977. The 20th I saw actually when I was 12. The 97. I'm getting an original Empire Strikes Back autograph poster. I'm getting a Natalie Portman, and I'm also getting a Phantom of the Menace poster unautographed. Very nice, and I'm getting a Christian Hayden autograph. So, today I want to talk about, you know, I've been transforming my physique, getting very dense. I actually gained 5 pounds of muscle. I've been on the KY11, which is a really good ZARM. I actually yeah, my phone beeping, my beeping, something's bothering. But I have, Jesus, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna be, I got all these texts. I'm gonna be, getting that. Yeah, I'm using the KY11. I've been getting a lot leaner, making some serious gains. And, I've been getting a lot leaner. I went from a 194.34 leanness, depleted, totally depleted. Now I'm carb loaded and my glycogen storage full. My body fat went down. I actually gained 6-7 pounds of muscle. KY11, you're known to gain between 5 and 10 pounds of muscle, so around almost a full amount of muscle. I went from 28% body fat to 18-19. So today, I just want to tell you that I'm going to be cooking some eggs for you this morning. Alright, peace. In terms of egg-wise, I'm going to have 4 eggs this morning for breakfast. I'm going to use the microwave simple stuff because my whole place is a mess right now from grocery shopping. So, yesterday I spent $120 on all these. So, gotta shop, gotta eat. I will show you the Natalie Portman stuff. The autographs I'm getting from Skywalker Ranch. Simple stuff. Also, I eat sugar-free Jello, just so you know. Sugar-free Jello. Gelatin snack, only 35 calories in that. So we are gonna be back, folks. Now what we do is we cook this in the freezer. We're gonna put this in about 2 minutes in the microwave. We're gonna nuke it, have some eggs for breakfast. I'm gonna show you these autographs right now I got. Actually, let's show what I got. I'm actually getting this, a Carrie Fisher from Skywalker Ranch, very limited. I'm getting this. I'll show you through my story on my IG. Let's see. See? Let's show you on here. Show you in the story what I'm getting. Getting this, and getting this. All in the mail from George Lucas himself. I'm gonna have myself a iced tea and some eggs for breakfast. So guys, just want to let you know that I'm on to a good track to getting leaner and leaner and leaner. I've been training slightly. I've been watching my injuries because I've been having a lot of bad problems with my back again. I've been taking CBD oil, that's been helping. So I'm eating this. So I'm doing good. I'm doing very good. This is a t-shirt. Look at the back, the front. So in terms of I'm having this diet, what Tony wants me to have, green tea citrus that's got no calories. It's got vitamin C, 210% post-tis. I don't know what the fuck that is. But, eggs are done. Show you how to cook my eggs. This regular eggs, what we do is, with the eggs, I'm really scared because sometimes these pop. You know, they pop because they're in the oven. But in terms of, let me show you what I put on it. Morning breakfast is Dijon mustard. I put this on here to give it a flavor. It's disgusting, but I might as well eat it because it's got no calories in it. And just want to let you know that I've been doing my cardio 20 to 30 minutes a day. I think I ate some of my muscle when I was dying. I was doing way too much that hour, 2 hour cardio is getting way too depleted. I'm wearing the AveCream, the muscle gel by Tony Hugh. I'm taking my Diurex, my Cleanse, my T3. And I'm also wearing my ab taper by Dijon. So, the Pentagon. I keep my heart rate between 140 and 145 beats per minute, so I'm catabolic and eat muscle mass. I'm doing Monday, my exercise, chest biceps, Tuesday, back and triceps, Wednesday, shoulders, Tuesday, legs, Wednesday, shoulders, Thursday, legs, Friday, chest and buys, and Saturday, back and tries. I'm doing abs twice a week, so alright, peace out, bye. Stuff I got a Revenge of the Sith poster, I have Star Wars action figures, and in terms of, I got the lightsabers, the hair. Now this is the real collectibles, guys. I got the Darth Vader helmet, was real epic. Nothing can go out complete with a Darth Vader console games. Now here's the thing I want to show you guys. I'm getting my Star Wars stuff, I'll show you on my cell phone, but I have an autographed Thor poster, verified by GAA. Natalie, verified. There's Lou Ferrigno, verified. There's me, 80s bodybuilder, upper body blows away, M. Titus. Me back in the day. Aaron Clark. Natalie, verified. There's Natalie again, verified. Star Wars. Met Ronnie. Got a Natalie. The Red Carpet, Natalie, Hollywood Studios Gallery. Natalie and Phantom of Menace, 20 years ago it's been. Wow. Skip, Jason, keep on. Just get liqueur. Think Big Jason. Mass Machine. There's me. And there's a Natalie right there. I got these trading cards, pieces of the memorabilia, pieces of the clothing. This is one of the rarest. There's only one engraved. Well, let me show you in terms of the neat thing I got a feature on my cell phone. Watch this. My ringtone. Listen to this, guys. You're gonna flip out when you hear this. I go to my sound settings. Look. Listen to this. Every time a call comes.
I am your father.
Huh. Gotta be minty right there, bro. I'm your father. That's that. And in terms of I got a book I've been reading. Audition. Michael Sheriff. Bob Fosse. This is the famed Broadway and Hollywood casting director reveals everything an actor needs to know to get the part. Good book, been reading it. I also been reading this. Let me show you guys. The Simply the Best with Anne Hathaway in it. She's hot. I love her. She's so hot, man. And in terms of supplement-wise, let me show you in terms of supplement-wise. I got my Slim for my carbs, my AveCream, my Muscle Gel, all my supplements. And daily fiber. I've been doing good on that. I got my boombox things. I listen to my music. I like this stuff. Tresemme. 24-hour body. Can't go out with that. Got a Clone Wars helmet. Got a lot of memorabilia in here. What's real cool. You know, it's real cool, man. Cigars, books.